Hi folks, Wesley with Expandacraft here. I am going to illustrate the splicing that I'm doing of the 8-foot cross tubes for the Expandacraft Outrigger kit. Now you can see this one has been put together, and these little slashes are so that when you get your kit and it's separated, that you can line those up, and they're also marked, you know, the bottom left, bottom right. So it's just a little puzzle. Each one of the two will have their own. Here's A, bottom L, and if you look at this one, that is B, bottom L. That's for left and right. And this is how it sits in your canoe. So that the short bar, the brace, splint, whatever you want to call it, fits between the gunnels and goes down low. That way it leaves the top fresh and clear. It is an upgrade, but you'll save more on shipping because I can fit this 4-foot piece in the same box that fits the Expandacraft hull parts, saving you a shipping of an 8-foot long bundle of aluminum. Also, for some reason, aluminum tends to get missing more often than the boxes, so I'm thinking I'm running into a theft problem with shipping. Anyhow, these bolts are 5/16 stainless steel that you drop in here, and these are nylock or nylon locking nuts. Do not spin them on with a power tool. The nylon will heat up, seize to the bolt, and then you're going to have to get a grinder and cut it off. So Expandacraft.com. This is the upgrade for the 8-foot cross tube, which is drilled on both sides for the quick release pins that go in there. And this kit is a 2-parter for something like a 12-foot outrigger. Expandacraft.com.